power. We have a number of women, a number of professional women, also women who have decided to go and work and engage in economic activities. They are very affected by weather as well and the effects of climate change. We take the example of Katonga. River Katonga burst because of the increased volumes of water that were caused by the rains. Now, when we look at these women who have been using the roadsides to get income, and currently it is no more, we are already worried that the households of those women do not have food currently because their food is in the pocket. They get food from the pocket, from the income that they earn. So we are calling on all responsible government officials to always think about climate change as they construct some of these transport means and mechanisms and roads. And not only to look at the tonnage, but when this effect comes to us, we see women getting affected, they can no longer earn, but also we look at the health care currently. You can imagine how are health workers traveling, how is their mobility to offer services to our women? How are our mothers currently moving on those fake boats we saw on the river currently? How safe is it for our children to attend schools? But how safe is it for the health workers to offer the extension to these women? So you can see that the loss and damage because of the mismanagement of Katonga alone is enormous in the health sector, in the transport sector, in the finances of everybody. And I am also inviting the public, let's use this chance, let's use this scenario to rectify the issue of land uses that have caused a lot of flooding in this area.
They should respect mothers. I do not look at government and the entire community putting taxation, taxes on issues that are concerning a child, sincerely. You look at, we have girl childs in the country, and you look at them and you say that you want to tax their diapers, pampers, and sanitary pads. It is not possible. It is not applicable anywhere, unless if we want to see them drop out of school, if we want to see them not going to school anymore, if we want to see them go into early marriages and early childhood. The thing is too much. So sincerely speaking, we have to take caution. We have to look at it in a very proper and raised, very good manner, because women are now multitaskers. They are multitasking, and we need to appreciate them. That is what I am urging and requesting for from this government and the community at large. From